comments from the biology panel.
Hello, my name is David Finnegan, and I am Professor of Molecular Genetics at the University of Edinburgh. And I was convener of the biology panel for RAE 2020.
I'm Paola Pederzani, Professor of Neurophysiology at University College London. I'm the deputy convener of this panel.
Both Paola and I participated in RAE 2014 when I was convener of the panel and Paola was a panel member. In
this video, we will talk about the performance of the 8 UGC-funded universities in the RAE 2020 in the subject of biology.
Our panel covered 2 units of assessment, namely biological sciences and preclinical studies.
In total, we had 22 panel members in our panel, including local and non-local members who were based in various parts of the world.
The panel assessed about 1,000 research outputs from 245 staff of 6 Hong Kong universities, as well as 18 impact case studies and 9 environment submissions. Despite the challenges presented by the COVID-19 pandemic, all members of the panel were fully committed to carrying out rigorous assessment of all items that had been submitted to it. And we are confident that RAE 2020 is every bit as robust as it would have been had we been able to meet in person.
Are the universities performing well in the RAE 2020?
The panel was impressed by the overall range and quality of research being carried out by the universities in Hong Kong. The strength of research in both biological sciences and preclinical sciences is indicated by the sector-wide profile. This shows that the majority of the research outputs, the research environment, and the research impact that was assessed is either world-leading or internationally excellent. This is an impressive outcome. The impact case studies were a new element of assessment in RAE 2020, and Hong Kong researchers had expressed anxiety in preparing their impact case studies during consultations in 2018. In the event, the scores for research impact were actually even better than those for research outputs.
The panel was very pleased with the level of funding to support the research infrastructure in Hong Kong, with substantial investment in building and state-of-the-art equipment made during the assessment period. The panel was similarly impressed by the emphasis on and support for translational research, but was concerned that these investments may come at the expense of support for research groups carrying out basic research that will take advantage of these facilities and lay the foundations for translational activities in the future.
What are the strengths of the 8 UGC-funded universities and the areas with potential for further development?
World-leading or internationally excellent outputs were found in most areas of research submitted to the biology panel. Areas of particular strength include neuroscience, cell and molecular biology, with stem cell biology being an area of developing strength, cancer biology, and plant science. There is evidence of strong interdisciplinary research, particularly with chemistry, in relation to environmental biology, molecular biology, structural biology, and cancer biology.
In the area of cancer research, there are opportunities for a greater integration of contributions from chemistry, cell biology, and clinical oncology, with cancer immunology being an area that could be developed. Research in marine biology might also benefit from closer integration with chemistry, genetics, and molecular and cell biology.
The impact case studies demonstrated that basic research being carried out in Hong Kong is having economic, health, and environmental benefits in Hong Kong, mainland China, and beyond, while the environment statements indicated that Hong Kong universities encourage and support excellence in biological and preclinical sciences. Newly appointed staff are generally given mentors to help them establish and develop their careers, but more attention could be paid to supporting and retaining mid-career staff.
How can the universities strive for further excellence?
The research community in Hong Kong has the capacity to make significant contributions to international efforts to tackle global challenges, such as food security, environmental degradation, antimicrobial resistance, resilience to pandemics, and the effects of global warming. The panel encourages greater engagement with international efforts to tackle them. This might be achieved through collaboration with research organizations such as the Human Frontiers Science Program, the European Molecular Biology Organization, the European Union Horizon Europe Program, and the European Research Council.
Establishing such relationships will require more investment, but it is worthwhile because it will enhance the global outlook and impact of the research produced by Hong Kong universities. Individual academics might also take advantage of funding opportunities provided by agencies such as the World Health Organization and the National Institutes of Health.
We are grateful to all panel members for having conducted such a rigorous assessment of research in Hong Kong, despite the challenges posed by the pandemic.
Yes, we thank for all the guidance and support that the UGC, our panel members, and the Secretariat provided us throughout the exercise.
On behalf of all members of the biology panel, we congratulate the Hong Kong universities for their outstanding performance in RAE 2020, and we are confident that they will continue to deliver research excellence in the future.